So much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Meekah!
Whoa! Did you see that bucket crush that egg filled with water? That was amazing! Hello, I'm Meekah, and I'm so excited to see more construction vehicles. Do you want to know which ones we're going to see today? I'll give you a hint. One of them starts with an E, and it goes like this. That's right, an excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. Oh, are you excited to see some construction vehicles with me? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to explore? Let's go! Oh, I spy with my Meekah eye something that starts with the letter E. That's right, it's an excavator. Excavators have a really long arm with a bucket at the end. The bucket scoops up things like dirt, sand, and even really heavy things like big rocks. Oh, having an excavator is like having a helpful friend that loves to dig and build. Whoa! Look at all this dirt. Hey, I bet we can use the excavator to dig up stuff to play with. Okay, Excavator Meekah, headed to the cab. Whoa, look at what I'm doing. Arm up, bucket down. Let's scoop up this dirt. Ready, set, dump that dirt! Oh, whoa! Check it out! A metal can! Ooh, let's keep looking for things to play with! Huh? Wow! A dinosaur egg? What else is in here? Look at that bucket digging up all the dirt. Oh, check it out. Traffic cones. They're very colorful too. Okay, let's look for something over here. Oh, whoa, did you see that? Foam blocks for building. Let's get these items and take them back to the backhoe. Whoa! We found so many different objects. This calls for a 10-second dance party. We did it. We did it. We never, ever quit it. We did it. Okay. Let's take these over to the backhoe. Whoa. Peekaboo. I see you. I have something to show you. Come on. Whoa! Do you see that big construction vehicle behind me? Yeah, it's called a backhoe. It has a big bucket in the front, just like an excavator, and a big bucket in the back. Whoa! I bet you could scoop up lots of dirt and rocks with that. Oh, would you like to count the wheels with me? Oh, great. Here we go. 1. Whoa! 2. There are more over here. 3 and 4. 4 wheels. 2 little wheels and 2 big giant wheels. Hey, and that over there is called the cab. That's where the construction workers sit and drive the vehicle. Beep, beep. I know. We should do an experiment. Yeah! We could take the items that we found with the excavator and crush them with the bucket of the backhoe. Let's go! Look at all this stuff! Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Let's crush it. Do you know what shape this is? Uh-huh. It's a rectangle. Kind of like a door. Knock, knock, knock. Who's home? Construction worker Meekah. Oh, foam blocks are a little squishy, but kind of hard. They're kind of in the middle of squishy and hard. Yeah, I can squish it up and you can kind of see my thumbprints make an imprint. Let's see what happens. Whoa! The foam bricks were so squishy. Yeah, foam isn't really that hard, so the bucket had no problem getting those foam bricks nice and flat. I put a water balloon inside this dinosaur egg. Whoa. It's really hard. I bet it'll make a loud crunching sound and a big splash from the water balloon. Let's see. Did you hear the water go splash? Yeah, but the hard shell of the egg went crunch. That was really cool. What's that? I look like a little bunny rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop. Whoa, these cones are really squishy. I wonder what will happen because they're squishy and kind of soft, but also kind of hard, too. Let's see what will happen when we put them under the bucket. Wow! Those construction cones just bent? Yeah, and then they went back to their triangular shape. Next up, this empty metal can. Ooh, that makes a cool sound. I know, let's pretend it's the drum. My name is Meekah, and I like to crush stuff. Oh, hey! Do you know what this shape is? That's right, it's a circle. Wow! Did you hear the crunch of the metal bucket? Yeah! See, what happened was all the pressure and the heaviness from the bucket crushed that metal can into a tiny metal can. That was so cool. It went crunch. Kind of like a potato chip. I have an item in my jam pack. Would you like to know what it is? Let's see. Whoa! It's chalk. A piece of blue chalk and white chalk and yellow chalk. Yeah, like the sun. Whoa, it's hot. And some green chalk. And also a piece of pink chalk. Yeah, chalk is hard, but it's kind of powdery. See, it gets all over my hands. And it does make a pretty cool sound. Whoa, it's not very strong either. I know. Let's use this piece to draw some ocean waves. Ooh. Okay, let's get on our surfboards and go surfing. Whoa, here comes a big wave. Splash. Okay, I'm going to take this chalk and put it under the bucket. Here we go. Wow, the chalk crushed into powder. Did you see that? Woo! Let's take a closer look at our items. Whoa! Wow! Even though the foam blocks are really soft, kind of like a teddy bear, they didn't change much. Whoa! But the dinosaur egg broke apart, even though it's really, really hard. Ooh, and the metal can, it didn't break, but it changed shape from a cylinder into a circle. Wow, that was an awesome experiment. We crushed it. That was so much fun exploring the construction site with you. We found some items with our excavator and dug them up, and then we crushed them with the backhoe. Which one was your favorite? Yeah, that was pretty cool. I think my favorite was the dinosaur egg with the water balloon. Well, that's the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? M-E-E-K-A-H, Meekah. Okay, friends,